we make winners who lead.
Hello students, greetings from Learn to Lead Academy. We are here to help you to score 180 out of 180 in the upcoming NEET 2024 examination in the under physics part. In this video, we are going to discuss few questions that was asked in the previous year based on current electricity. See, from this chapter, minimum 2 to 3 questions you can expect in the NEET examination. So the concept is very simple. Only if you understand few formulas and how to apply it, definitely answering the question is very easy. Now, let us discuss few questions in this video. See the first question. In a hydrogen atom, an electron moves in an orbit of radius 5 into 10 to the power minus 11 meter with a speed of 2.2 into 10 to the power 6 meter per second. What is the value of equivalent current? So, I know that the basic formula for current I is equal to charge by time. Charge is nothing but Q divided by T. So, what is the formula for Q? NE, right? Q is equal to N into E, number of electrons into charge of an electron. In this question, they have taken hydrogen atom and it has an electron. So, the value of N is 1. So, charge of an electron is nothing but 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 divided by time taken. Now, we need to find the value of time taken. Okay, see, to calculate this time taken value only, they have given two values, right? So, in a hydrogen atom, an electron is revolving around circular orbit of radius. They have given us 5 into 10 to the power minus 11 and speed they have given. Okay, we know the basic formula for time is nothing but distance by speed. Okay, so distance is nothing but one revolution, one complete revolution in a circle. So distance is equal to 2 pi r divided by speed of the electron v. Okay, so 2 into pi into, and what is r value? 5 into 10 to the power minus 11 divided by speed of the electron 2.2 into 10 to the power 6. Okay, now if you solve this, you will get the answer as 14.27 into 10 to the power minus 17 seconds. Substitute this value in the current formula, and I is equal to, I know that 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 divided by 14.27 into 10 to the power minus 17. So you will get the answer as 1.12 into 10 to the power minus 3 ampere is your answer. So option C is your correct answer. So you should know the basic concepts like what? Current is equal to charge by time, and charge Q is nothing but N into E, and time taken we know that distance by speed. Okay, here the distance traveled is nothing but one complete rotation. It comes under circular path. So for a circular path, the circumference of the circle is 2 pi r divided by its speed value. Okay, right? Now let's go to the next question. See the next question. The current in a wire varies with time according to the equation they have given us 4 plus 2t. See, while solving the question itself, you should take the given data and you should solve it. Okay, don't waste time by reading the same question twice or thrice. Definitely in the exam hall, you won't get any time. Okay, I is equal to 4 plus 2t, where I is in ampere and t is in second. The quantity of charge which passes through a cross section of the wire from t is equal to 2 seconds to 6 seconds. What is the charge? Okay, so to find out the charge, dq is equal to I into dt. I know that the basic formula for current, as we saw in the last question, is nothing but Q by charge by time taken. Okay, so total number of charges flowing in a small interval of time is nothing but current. So I can rewrite this equation as dq is equal to I into dt. Okay, integrating on both sides, I know the I value as 4 plus 2t into dt. And the time taken limit is from 2 to 6 seconds. Okay, if I solve this equation, I'll get as 4t plus 2t square by 2, 2 to 6. So 4t plus t square 2 to 6. Substituting the upper limit first. Okay. So 24 plus 6 square 36 minus lower limit. 2 fours are 8 plus 4. So what is 24 plus 36? 60 minus 12 is equal to 48 coulomb is your answer. So option B is your answer for this question. Okay. Now, see the next question. For a wire, they are given R by L is equal to 1 by 2 and length of the wire is 5 centimeter. If the potential difference is equal to 1 volt is applied across it, then the current through the wire will be, what is the current through the wire? Okay, potential difference of 1 volt is applied across it. And what is the current through the wire? Okay. Now, see, what is the formula for current? V is equal to I into R. We know the Ohm's law. So I is equal to V by R. And for V, they are given it as 1 volt already. And you need to find the value of R. Okay, to find the value of R, they are given a relation between R and L. So R is equal to L by 2. I know that value of L is 5 centimeter. So 5 into 10 to the power minus 2 by 2. So resistance value is nothing but 2.5 into 10 to the power minus 2 centimeter. Okay, so now what is the value of voltage? 1 volt divided by 2.5 into 10 to the power minus 2. So you can take 10 to the power minus 2 to the numerator. It becomes 10 to the power plus 2 divided by 2.5. 10 square is nothing but 100 divided by 25 by 10. So 1000 divided by 25. So the answer is nothing but 40 ampere is your answer. Okay, do you all understand this? Right. Now, let us see the next question. A wire of resistance 4 ohm is stretched to twice its original length. What is the resistance of the stretched wire? Okay. Initially, we know the basic formula as R is equal to rho L by A, right? Now, you should note a concept that as length of the wire becomes twice, okay, its area will become half of its previous value. Its area will become half of its previous value. So, you should know that R is equal to rho into L becomes twice, 2L, divided by area, half of its previous value. So, 4 into rho L by A. So, 4 into R, that is the old resistance. Okay, what is the value of old resistance? 4 ohms, right? 4 into 4, 16 ohms is your answer. 4 fours are 16 ohms is your answer. Okay, so remember the formula R is equal to rho L by A. It is very important. So, next. A wire is stretched so as to change its diameter by 0.25 percentage. The percentage change in resistance, what they are asking? Percentage change in resistance. See, you should note that on stretching the wire, okay, if you stretch the wire, the diameter of the wire will reduce, right? Diameter of the wire will reduce, but volume V will remain constant. So, volume of the wire is equal to area into length. So, length is equal to V by A. And now we know the basic formula R is equal to rho L by A, isn't it? For L, I can substitute as rho by A into V by A. You will get rho V by A square. Okay, so rho into V by, what is area? Pi r square. Area is equal to pi r square. If I want to write in terms of diameter, so pi d by 2 the whole square. So pi d square by 4. This is area. When I need A square, it becomes pi square d power 4 by 16, right? So pi square d power 4 by 16, you can take it to the numerator. So the resistance value will be what? 16 rho V divided by pi square d power 4. Now, if I take logarithm on both sides, I'll get del r by r is equal to minus 4 into del d by d. Okay. Now, del r by r is equal to minus 4 into, what is change in the diameter? 0.25 percentage. Okay, 0.25 percentage, it has reduced. So minus. So it becomes minus into minus will become plus 4 into 0.25, 1 percentage is the change. What is the change? 1 percentage is the change. Okay, so what are the formulas you need to know in basic? Under current electricity, we have seen the basic formulas like you should know time is equal to distance by speed and V is equal to IR, it is nothing but Ohm's law. You can write it also as I is equal to V by R based on the NEET. And current I is equal to, the basic formula is nothing but charge by time taken. And charge is nothing but number of electrons into charge of an electron, N into E. Okay, right? And you can also write this equation as I is equal to dq by dt. Okay, I is equal to dq by dt. Okay, right? So, and another formula you should remember, R is equal to rho L by A. Okay, these are based on these simple formulas, we have discussed the previous 5 questions. And if you want to learn more and if you want to crack the upcoming NEET examination, don't forget to subscribe our channel. We are going to give you more videos based on it because almost 90% of the students are struggling with the physics part of the NEET question paper. We are here to help you. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. All the best students.
Learn to lead. We make winners who lead.